Yes. I want everyone to share this video. Share it to Captain Ohosa Okumbo. Share this video to Tony Kabaka. Share this video to Governor Godwin Obaseki. Share this video to Captain. Yes. Yes, brothers and sisters, once again, this is my second time of coming out this today. However, I wouldn't have come out today if not the threat messages through individual that I received from Captain Ohonsa Okunbo. Captain Ohonsa Okunbo is not only a corrupt man, he's also terrorist. And I want everyone to invite every adequate law enforcement agency across the globe. Captain Ohonsa Okunbo is a man that came from Benin City, who studied, went to pilot school here in Fort Worth, Texas, who is been humbly sponsoring, palling with terrorists. And what the United States Law Enforcement Agency said, when you harbor a terrorist, you give a safe haven to a terrorist, and you sponsor a terrorist, you pal around with terrorists, you are a terrorist. So therefore, with all this evidence, Captain Ohonsa Okunbo did not only support Tony Kabaka, the worst, the greatest terrorist of all time, Benin. He gave him a safe haven. He gave him a home. He financed his terrorist empire. He gave him power. Captain Ohonsa Okunbo is the #1 destroyer of Edo Kingdom. Yes, Captain Ohonsa Okunbo is the problem of Benin. Captain Ohonsa Okunbo, a lot of people are ready to go to grave with Captain Ohonsa Okunbo. And I pray those who want to go to grave with Captain Ohonsa Okunbo, may the Lord Almighty allow the people to enter grave with Captain Ohonsa Okunbo. You will follow Captain Ohonsa Okunbo to the grave. In Jesus' mighty name. Me, I will not. Captain Ohonsa Okunbo, a lot of Edo people are scared. They don't want to talk to him. He saw me in Canada. He ran away. He saw me. He met me. I talked to him. He talked to me. We talk man to man. When you hear a man is telling you that you are a Edo problem, and he saw me in Canada, he could have said, well, how am I a Edo problem? He would have made enough to ask me, how am I a Edo problem? Captain Ohonsa cannot stop. He can kill anybody. He can say Tony Kabaka to kill anybody. And we are watching like a laser beam. You know? For Captain Ohonsa Okunbo to be sponsoring people or engineering people to be insulting me after Captain Ohonsa Okunbo have ordered Tony Kabaka with Governor Obasa along with Governor Obaseki to assassinate me. Till today, Captain Ohonsa Okunbo has not denied that allegation. Captain Ohonsa Okunbo think money can do anything for him. That he has money. That anything he wants, he can do. But I will tell you today, Captain Ohonsa Okunbo, not everything money can do. Money cannot do everything. When God Almighty call you to answer your query, nobody can stop you. And money will not stop you. Money will not stop you to answer that query. This is a direct message to Governor Godwin Obaseki, Captain Ohonsa Okunbo, and terrorist Tony Kabaka. Yes, a message from Mega Comrade Prophet Officer Clement Eranomigo Edegbe, the tiger and the lion command. I fear no bagger. No wa gwake no wobe ya wa fiken. Amen owe dina. Amowie no egboru opa. Keno gwake no wo obe ya fiken. Owro mo egbe no ya yu hie mi winere o me ewuyi. Itie bonoma. Itai. I said it 2 weeks ago that I will not insult anybody individually, but the political cabal, political terrorists, political criminal, political vampires, and those that support them must be brought to justice. Nothing is going to stop it. If you cannot face justice in Nigeria, let me tell you, thank God Almighty. You see this flag right here? I will die for it. You will face justice in the United States of America. And this is a direct message to Katokumbo. If you cannot advise Tony Kabaka to come out and denounce and write undertaking, every day I will come out. Any day I come out. Katosa Okumbo word will never be out of my mouth. We got the mayor Katosa Okumbo. It wasn't rolling on me. It belongs to the Benin Kingdom. The money belongs to the Edo. Because who know where all year money. So this is how Katosa Okumbo came into this. I want the whole world to watch this. Watch this.
Again. I said, look at this guy. You are talking to Katosa. I said, may God let this guy come. God there.
Did you hear that? This is how Katosa Okumbo came. This is one of the terrorists Katosa is supporting. Watch.
Again. I said, look at this guy. You are talking to Katosa. I said, may God let this guy come. God there.
Hold on. Hold on.
Look at this guy. You are talking to again. I said, look at this guy. You are talking to Katosa. I said, may God let this guy come. God there.
Okay, that is one.
To swear my name, you don't want me to read. You don't want me to read. For this government, you want to swear my name, you don't want me to read. You don't want me to read. Iranomigo, Osaloba, forgive you. Iranomigo, if I catch you, I go chop you. I'll chop you like vampire. Iranomigo, Iranomigo, Iranomigo.
Okay. More video are coming.
For this government, you want to swear
hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Katosa Okumbo, this is what he said.
Again. Again. I said, look at this guy. You are talking to Katosa. I said, may God let this guy come. God there.
Okay. That I am talking to Katosa. May God let this Amigo come. We will kill him for Katosa. Who is Katosa? Who is Katosa? I don't give a fuck about Katosa. To hell with him. With his goddamn money. Who give a fuck about Katosa? Let me tell you something. The reason why you people are worshiping Katosa like your God, Katosa is not my God, is because you people want money. You people think Katosa, let me tell you, before Katosa there was Igmenedium. Before Katosa there was Dangote. Before Katosa there was Ogbaru. Abi. Before Katosa there was Amayabo for Krikwa. Ezego of what they call Yala. Katosa is nobody but a coward. Katosa is nobody but a coward. Katosa saw me in Canada. He personally cancelled Q&A session because of me. God knows, Lord Almighty. Katosa, one thing that I think he knows how to do best, whatever he knows how to do, he knows how to escape from problem. I swear to God, if there was Q&A in Canada, Katosa wouldn't have been in Benin today. Katosa would have been in jail. Katosa jet would have been a palm in Canada. He was so smart. He escaped it. You cannot threaten anybody that you're going to kill him and don't expect him to defend himself. I will do whatever it takes to defend my life from the hands of Katosa, Governor Godwin Obaseki, Tony Kabaka, and Ali Oshomole. And I want those people to understand. Please send this message to the palace. Baba, Katosa Okumbo, ego paro ne won ayala iwon onti iya ya fe bo iya we ni agbe won o ma ge awu iya we ni age o ma o Ava a 70 years very young. I wouldn't not be here. He may go there, but he had 9 Macbea, he had 9 Mahu, he had 9. He had like a tosa where the Avie, he had 9 Ayori. Eri have Natoni Kabaka, Eri have Nagod Nobasaki, Antonio Passet, the Oviedo. Ira Oviedo. Usabwa Zuru Megbe. Katosa Okumbo Wavi, Uyore. Uyore. Oga uwe kabaka we agboa kabaka yare ngane katosa oga uwe kabaka we agboa dan we mana ge katosa we ge kabaka ya ba now wa ma wa ge ga wa we na me kabaka ya o wi se gbe won na won eje do hewe owe uta katosa yo pa we ro ni gbe aya owe egbe o hera ne merie egbe we Until my own mother is 108 years old. Una zivabo hame yegbe. Mole I ni him. 108 years old. Where we tosso. We are not been where we give money and go on. Ugo directly, indirectly. As far as this audio have video have involved you, you cannot run away from it. Again. I said, look at this guy. You are talking to Katiosa. I said, may God let this guy come. Oh, God, okay. So no one can talk to you, Katiosa. Iko, Erigo, yeah. What will they do? What will they do? Iko. Hey. Ego. Where was he go? Who know who will be richer tomorrow? Can Katosa tell us that Katosa will be the richest man for the next 10 years in Benin Kingdom? Hell no. No one knows tomorrow. Those who want to follow Katosa to grave, may God let you all follow him to grave. Me, I will not follow Katosa to grave. That lie. I have no time to defend Katosa. I have no time to do anything with Katosa. The only person, the only father that I respect is our second God. That's it. That's it. I want everyone who want favor from Katosa. You can go and use it an amigo to look for favor. Now you sabi. Everyone who want to do, you have to, let me tell you, Ate wanta vidu wamana te wanta ne imiro ba de Katosa Tony Kabaka Governor Obaseki and Oshomole Uruyaye. They are the fourth number one suspect. Number one suspect of anything that happened to me, to the entire family of People Freedom Movement, to my nuclear family. You will see it. They know how to avoid law. So anyway, that is the message I came to send to Katosa Okumbo. Very well, so far my hands have been with me. Who fail? I mean, one of you. Eva, when the Katosa when I said, no, you have fed Bobby Guaba. They one very good. I am like, boy, are you over there? When I say, where you gay? Do a game with Benayapele to you. Where you gay is no Katosa that is causing blackout in Nigeria today. In Benin City, blackout. Katosa. They are narrating Yoruba. What is Yoruba do now? Is it not Katosa? Katosa is in charge of Edo State and Delta State. Since Katosa have taken power of electricity, there's no like total blackout. But Katosa home, there's electricity 24 hours. Really? Really? Here do. Really? Really? Since Katosa Okumbo, Kate Ohonsa Okumbo, Oriomba, Orienwo, Oyemugbe, Oyemugbe, Yongbedo, Yongbeken, even Ogbeken, or Rueken. Katosa Okumbo, single-handedly destroyed the electricity in Edo State. Kateosa Okunbo, why can't Kateosa Okunbo go and chop cola? Yeah, yeah, boy. Kateosa Yadowa, young Bedo. Kateosa or Yadowa. Kateosa Okunbo is the problem of Benin. Kateosa Okunbo. Kate Ohosa is not a captain in the military. A pilot, Okada air pilot. That's why they are calling him Kate. He's not a military man at all. He no serve, he no wear uniform, now only airplane. He even slapped Igbenedion. He insulted Igbenedion. He slapped Igbenedion. He insulted the chief. Till now, Kateosa have not been brought to justice to come and take cola why he disrespected the chief. Is Igbenedion not the chief? Kateosa slapped Igbenedion back. Chief Doctor Gabriel Sawari Igbenedion. Kateosa insulted the chief. When Kateosa is not a chief, he is nobody but a vampire, a bloodsucker, capitalist vulture. That's what Kateosa is. Capitalist vulture. Kateosa, he play all kind of games, double game. He never lose in any game. Kateosa. Hey. Why lele Kateosa ni? Why was it better than what you were? It was a whatever. Kateosa. Why watch? Kateosa sponsor Sage Zeyamu. He helped sponsor Sage Zeyamu and he sponsor Obaseki. He play two games. When he say Oshomole don't tell and say CRCB 90 system, he not tell Pastor Sage Zeyamu. He be play that game. Osumbo versus Oshomole. He's been playing that Oyegu versus Lucky Igbenedion. Kateosa have been playing this game. They playing. Kateosa is drilling now oil well, Edo oil well, the well that belongs to Edo indigene, the youth. Then tomorrow Kateosa will give you 10,000. You will say God bless you. Kateosa, you don't try. Really? Somebody that is sucking your entire life, sucking your road, sucking your hospital, sucking your electricity, sucking everything, every infrastructure that government would have done. Kateosa is sucking it with a straw, with his family. With his family. Yet Kateosa is peaceful. He can go to the palace, I cannot go to the palace. Kateosa has banned me from coming to Benin. Imegwa me ya atu oba begwa. No wa mu yere. Imegwa. Imegwa gwari ogi mayano. E Kateosa pa. Ahwo mere refer with Kateosa ga ila. E yebe to serio. E ni ewi me na. Osalobua oge. That is a message I want to send to him. Osalobua oge Kateosa. Oge owi oge wuta. Otieto ya ge wuta. Igami igakpuru no sugbe. You know? So that is it. That is the message I want to send. Send it to anywhere. Kateosa. We men of one we magi me ami. Okay, answer koto. Okay, answer koto. We answer koto ta. Iye be ga me no we. O ma me pa no we. O se mekpo. Kateosa o se mekpo. Makpuru no sugbo we. Go get Tony Kabaka. Tony Kabaka already time I reform. He said it over the phone. That why did I even that if we're not quarrel, why I mention Kateosa? I say they say na Kateosa. Now their office then Kotisugbo go for oil, make it provide job. Simple. Now the offense when I interpret what they told me. Provide job. Today they are all blaming Yoruba. Kateosa is the problem. Yoruba are not the problem of Benin. Now Kateosa, not the Benin people be the problem of Benin. Now Kateosa be the problem of Benin. Kateosa. Now Yoruba man they drill a door here. No be Kateosa they drill a door here. No be Kateosa. No be Kateosa go to Canada. People when come abroad when nothing buy one land. He want share house. Share house you not give them till tomorrow. No one house for 190. For 100. That Kateosa be for 100. For 100. Oyemugbo. Kateosa is enemy of Benin. Very soon they will know. Is it not the same Kateosa that went to Abuja? Huh? Oh, Gima ona amagana wiye kino ya tota. Ogara no mi wo ni wo. Age gbuhu yo akone. Is it not the same Kateosa? Ogyo ba. Uma me ha ge egwa. Ogyo ba hin. Ogyo tie to uki Kateosa. Ogyo ba. Kateosa humiliated the Edo people. The Edo people. I will make arrangement. Do one arrangement in it down. Tieboyo. Do wherever. We are Sima Yeke. Do wherever. Or have I given a Pagua? Can you imagine? Kateosa be a problem to Benin Kingdom. Yo go ready be. Kateosa agbewa redo. Kateosa Tony Kabaka. Governor Boseki. Ekela gboro iwa mere gbo ayo. Yo wo go. Kateosa no yo kumba wi efe. Jebode wase wa re o. Imagine ni we. Ekela gboro iwa mere gbo ayo Kateosa. Wa se le video na kiye. Ya gbe wi kunu ga ro wa golo umigere aye ya gbe wi ku Kateosa ya gbe wi ku keno gwa keno wo obe ya African ma no we am kera ro para o ma bero we si gbe yo wo ko Kateosa okunbo ori okunbo o yo ro je ohin wo pa u gbe electricity anu pa le do go to Benin. No electricity because of Kateosa. Kateosa. That two of them get electricity. Two, they contract and tune. Yoruba one, they take you, they bring the people. Kateosa home. If they take and they go, they bring another people. What we are doing, we may have why do I gallery? One way television, who fake. Tell your part where you do walk man where he is so you do. Tell me what title Kateosa have tied. Tell me one university, tell me one job Kateosa have created. Who will walk on a way? Who will walk on a way? Yamu, Ube Pashoko, no Yamu. Who will walk on the way? Hali Riba way. Who will walk where you put so I will go. Where Bubo there? Where don't I were ye? The Winamu way. When I would then work where I'm your dollar. Where are you? Where are you? Kateosa no Hana Jagwegwa. Where are you? What have you done in your own community? What have you done in your own community, Kateosa? What have you done? That is the question. What have you done? Tell me how you have empowered the youth, if not give them money to be buying ammunition. You old ass criminal. Where? And then when I will we marry Canada then we gaga. No we give you what back for fear. Ekeli go yora gaga. No sense. Who be Kateosa? What be there? But was you me was a thing you want one? When you are we agbawa. Iru. Hey me. What was I by beer yak money no in the water? All you could not worry me. Thank God that bless me. I have children who can stand anywhere in the White House, in European Union, and question and say, my father, what happened to him? Who does he? Or where? He worked more. No one said he was swear, or swell para. Who him, who am I around to he go? Eriak Monaglia. Oh, to a park because I am in no way. All the five Kateosa knew why I felt by. He's there. Hello? He's there. No sense. No sense. You be going around and be there. Where give me We give my back here, we do hang well. We are there, ready. We are there. Now, let them put electricity. Call. Take Katosa to come to America. Let them put electric on the pole. Let me and him go hug it the same time. If you can do it. Come, make we go hug. Even this year, Tony Kabaka that is running his mouth. Come, make we go hug electricity pole. Make all of us die one time. Come. I'll be to carry gun. They do gra. Nonsense. Nonsense. Ogu oware lu ohun Katosa. Iyo gbomo lu awo wa gbomo ye mo yimo awo yo gbomo lu awo. Nonsense. Baba me ru wa gwa lo. Nonsense. Uwe aso wa ni me Katosa kubo. Are you praying married? Me u wo sa, we su pe ko rin wa. We bere. Ologbo open when I ask you money alupo laso. Ne ko na mo. Nonsense. Shameless man. Nonsense. You think? What I 100 in order? You what? Ekela gbogbo yi. De go talaya. Owe agbalu popo ya gbe ya kwali pepe ni amoyi. Nonsense. Ama ilo bowe ame governor bedo. No yara no yari abawo. Oriawo hi Katosa. Oriawo ki oriawo. Oriawo Katosa ki oriawo. Oriawo yowo ko Katosa ligedo wa fiafi odio. Meno wi ekore ogun wagwan. Me officer Clement Rano mi goro wi edegbe. Katosa Kabaka oba se ki o iya wi agbe wa ori edo. Wa ge agbe we kala agbe we ogbo yi. Katosa wi efegbe. Yowo ko ri gbe. Katosa gboy. Nonsense. Yeah, one nawe. Yeah, nawe we ya nawe water. We fail kila gbogbo yi wa me yo. Melody anenia. Melody ana owe ya nawe. Ota ya nawe. Wari ere ya nawe. Ekela gbogbo yi wa me gbe yo. We am me gbe Katosa kubo joba dewo. Rapara no keyi. O je iruhi. O ji. We was is anini. We was is anini. Who be this when they call? Hello? What was this anini? Nonsense. No electricity in Benin. One electricity not there. People call me. Tell me if you have electricity in Benin. If you think or you believe you have electricity in Benin, call me now. Tell me. Tell me if you have electricity in Benin. Katosa. Hey, me what is it now? Where work your real work barami? Where do fe boyo Katosa? Where do fe boyo? Hello? Yeah, give me a second, please. Let me connect this thing. Please, okay, go ahead. Yes.
Yeah, I've been following you. So I want to ask this captain also of a man. Is he a politician? Is he a government? Did some people elected him for any post?
No.
Or did he make his money on his own?
No, he didn't make his money on his own. He's a dirty politician. A dirty politician. When I say dirty politician, a dirty politician. One man is drilling now oil well that Kudo Jonathan gave him in Edo State. He did not give, he gave it to Edo people.
To the government, not to him, because the governor is responsible for the state.
No, Katosa, let me tell you, Katosa represents the governor, even in Canada. He went to Canada, all what Obaseki is doing, Katosa is the father of all. Katosa is a dirty politician. He is the father of all. He is the godfather of dirty game. He is the godfather. For Edo to settle that Katosa, I don't say you like Katosa, but this is what I want you to know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
God bless you. That is it. Katosa is a dirty politician. A dirty politician. No sense. Who be that person where they talk anyhow? No, now they talk Katosa money. Who now they pay me
again. I said, look at this guy. You are talking to Katosa. I said, may God let this guy come. We will bad amigo. That guy there, eh?
Wait. So look at this guy. You are talking to Kateosa. Wait.
Again. I said, look at this guy. You are talking to Kateosa. I said, may God let this guy come. We will bad amigo. That guy there, eh?
Can you imagine? Someone who is not a police officer. He is not a law enforcement officer. He is just a terrorist. He will be threatening everybody. You know what I'm saying? Nonsense. Why Kateosa?
This government, you want to swear my name. You don't want me to read. You don't want me to read. Amigo, Osaloba forgive you. Amigo, if I catch you, I go chop you. I'll chop you like vampire. Amigo.
Okay, tell me anybody that they said this to. Who will be quiet? Tony Kabaka told me over the phone. I didn't record him. He told me, he said, I have sent a message to the palace. I have sent a message to the Enige. Everybody is aware of it. Nobody even care, but they are worrying about any other thing. If you are in my shoe, you will talk on this one. God will bless you. But you are in my shoe that you will let this go. We will see. We will see. We will see. Kateosa, what's one more? Oh, son of a couple. What's one? What's one? Die your immunity will be around what you know, man. Die your wet work. Die your what way on power when I'm not better with Selu. Katesa Kuba. You are a young Billy, you or my Latin one day, no how I Billy down. My time. I'm really baptizing. When Tiaboy did who were able to tell the Kabaka. When Tiaboy, Kateosa, Tiaboy can where you are, and be your. I will go walk with the idea. Where Tiaboy went to work with Power Sabwa. Power Sabwa Sabwa, you want more. Yeah, it is really a book para. Men, Israel book para. Egan went to a American nonsense. I might declare a world wanted. Well, when you're pan, we are gay. There'll be a man declare. Anyway, I wrote on it. You will be declared wanted, suspect. Our worry. Anywhere, London, our strategy where was the American straight. We do either face where we caught one-on-one. I will need 2020. Nonsense. What you go to? We go my fake every day. My boy, dog, when my boy, you're not a fake Kateosa. When my boy, you put you make another person not rich again. Put you make another person not rich again. If you go let you do, Larry don't know where go away now. Koyo. Oh, we go one more. We correct a book anyway. Worry. Nonsense. Look at
for this government. You want to swear my name. You don't want me to read. You don't want me to read. Amigo, Osaloba forgive you. Amigo, if I catch you, I go chop you. I'll chop you like vampire. Amigo.
Because you are a vampire. You are a vampire.
This guy, you are talking to Kateosa. I said, may God let this guy come. We will bad amigo. That guy there, eh?
Can you imagine? Then you have one lunatic. Or you know my setting you have one of Waluhuno, Yalo, how in Akmofine. Where are they? Ogun one you are very wire, baby, quick. Nonsense. I know that now that is not me. Nonsense. When my setting you who are when I had bet him of you about who no matter the no way to move it boy. Was chef while I might say she cut it. A Tony Kabaka away, Akbama, Wamahama, no Latia. What about a video now?
Again. I said, look at this guy. You are talking to Kateosa. I said, may God let this guy come. We will bad amigo. That guy there, eh?
What Belmo Bayo Kabaka? What Belmo Bayo? We are Belmo Bayo. Where we who are it be one? Where? Oh, where may I in the way? Did he get you? Where are we going? Now they get Benin now. Who can't get Benin? Now our father be get Benin. Katosa not left anywhere here word. Kateonsa, Usomule, Obaseki, Tony Kabaka. Now they get Benin. Now them na Edoya Yohiane. Mehuama. Mehuwa or Mekilo se ba Mekamuwa, Wage in America. Or Mekilo se ba Ominieke, now one in your party, they may make Yako. We are gay, they may move on a Pia or river, in the white caravan, and you may get up. Why even lucky? Why even lucky? Why not here? Law and order. This is a country of law and order. Law and order. This one not be okay. Come here, you will stay in that Texas Department of Criminal Justice. You will know how life is. Nonsense. Very well, come and say, my own is how here you can't follow it. We are not like more here. You come to maximum security. You come and run your goddamn mouth and see what is happening there. Kuweke, offended Tony Kabaka. No, you come, when you come to America jail, you will know what jail tastes like. You will know what it feels like. Think you can just stay beneath there. Obaseki knows what it feels like. That's why he's running. He knows. He knows. He's running. You come here. I'll throw your motherfucking ass in jail. Come here. Thank God the case is already with the law enforcement agency. These goddamn motherfuckers. Every goddamn day you come out be writing a goddamn lie. Trying to make full of your goddamn fucking ass. Nonsense. Wabi you are one you are. Oh, better Kabaka no my no why Kabaka do or your power money or your power money. If no really boy you have money. But the Tony oh one you are not the boss of your popo. Kuweke Katosa Okumbo. Kuweke Katosa Okumbo. Obaseki has a devil pego dewo. Where? Nonsense. Me. We give me. Oh no, I go one. Yeah. Me. We give me. Give out. Can you come America? They not say. Don't come to me. Baby, no way any. Why baby. From one place to another, no light. Katosa Okumbo is the one controlling the Delta State light. He's the one controlling the Delta State light. Katosa Okumbo is really illegal. Oh yeah. Every day, $1 million. Maybe more than or maybe less. No sense. Everybody want to make name. Hey, if you take the Katosa, if you did this, Katosa don't know you. Mostly, but Kabaka Katosa can't take money. When Kabaka get out of jail, Katosa is the one that gave this animal, this monster, Tony Kabaka, terrorist, notorious killer. Katosa is the one that fed him, gave him everything he wants. Now he become a monster that nobody can stop. Lawless state like Edo State. People have turned Edo State to rubbish place. Nobody go there and be safe. Nonsense. Nobody can talk. You turn Edo State to your own state. Katosa State, Kabaka State, Obaseki State, Oshomole State. Four people have totally taken control of the entire state. One of the richest oil states in Nigeria. Oil and gas. A state that has the largest gas in West Africa. Bigger than the old West Africa gas. Edo State have it. Obaseki used his mouth to confess it. Nobody can dare come out and question them. How are you spending our money? Nobody dare try it. If you try it, this is what happened to you. Dare try it and question anybody. Try it and see what is going to happen to you. This is what happened when you try it.
Again. I said, look at this guy. You are talking to Katosa. I said, may God let this guy come.
That is what happened. When you question how are you embezzling this money, are you spending this oil money appropriately? In Nigeria, most especially in Benin City, they will send their terrorists. This is what happened.
For this government, you want to swear my name. You don't want me to read. Eranomigo, Osaloba forgive you. Eranomigo, if I catch you, I go chop you. I'll chop you like vampire. Eranomigo.
You can imagine that. You cannot question transparency. You cannot question them. And today, it's going around Edo State with siren. Because most especially Edo State. 4 men are controlling oil that is even bigger than Kuwait oil, if not Kuwait oil. Oil, blood money. Katirosa is going around sharing blood money. Do you know how many people have lost their life because of that oil? They will not call you farm. What are you going to reap? Hello?
Yeah, good day, Mr. Ramino. How are you? This is Ben from Germany.
Yeah, good day.
Yeah, I'm just listening to your program. You see one thing there. They may want to cause problem that people in Nigeria will not like to come home again. Mm-hmm. But how can you put a criminal, a well-known criminal, you give him key? Then he will do more than even Saddam Hussein.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
He will do more than Saddam Hussein. So I don't know how our people reason. How can you give a criminal a key of a place to be guarded? So I can't really understand. Is these people, are they normal?
Okay.
They call them elders. So elders, they don't have sense of belonging again. They don't have sense of living. You know, I can't really understand. I can't just understand.
Can you imagine that?
Upon all what he did to Eddie, humiliate the poor boy and everything. You know? So it's so sad. It's so sad. I tell you the truth. I'm not Benin. But I always feel for you people. I feel for you people. I tell you the truth.
This man bury people alive. Now that is the new star. They will put a nail in a wood and use that nail, and his twin brother have killed life, and it was publicized everywhere.
You see?
They will use that to beat you. I can't imagine. I'll bury you alive. Katirosa will go and give you money after drilling 9 oil well. 9.
You know? So what is really happening? Why is it that those states is not moving forward?
How can he move forward? Well, four people are destroying Edo State. Katirosa, Governor Obaseki, Adamale Oshomule, Anthony Kabaka, Adu. 4 people.
But now you want to put a criminal because he threatened you.
Right.
He threatened you now you now dance to the tune, meaning you are not a man.
He only went to RTV. He just went to RTV and told them, we need to have another body of security, but civilian. Immediately. Okay, why? Thank you. Immediately. Yeah. I tell you, nobody dare try Tony Kabaka. He will bury you alive. And his wife is in Canada with his children. Terrorists are in Canada.
He will do more than Iyamu. You know what happened to Iyamu now?
Iyamu is good.
During anime.
Iyamu is 100% better than Tony Kabaka. Iyamu is not even up to 1%. They are 9 number. 9 brothers. 9 brothers. 9.
Okay.
9. He carries pump passion, shooting your own brother. Pump passion. Boy.
Yeah.
Ogbe Stadium. In State Stadium.
Okay. You see? So, I mean, it's a very sad thing. That was why I moved away. Even to put a building in that place. Benin is not a place.
Can you imagine? No, it's true. That is why I'm fighting so hard. So that we can fix it. But the more you try, then you see all this lunatic, all this pinhead. They are coming from one angle to another. Because I told them, here I'm living. I own the house I'm living here in Germany. You know? God bless you, my brother.
So, the thing has made that one has to really invest where you are, because at home there you see nothing, no interest, nothing. You'll be afraid, you cannot be, No, it's a terrible thing. No.
Can you imagine? God bless you, my brother. God bless you.
Thank you. Just keep it up. Yeah. God be with you.
And it's only God is in my side.
Yeah.
It's only God. I don't have money.
Evils,
It's only God.
Evils. You are just fighting with evils. It's only God, yeah.
Demons. They are demons. They are more than evils. These 4 people.
Evils.
Now they are pushing Oshomole one side now. Obaseki just graduated another ray of terror He just, how can you carry civilian to mobile barrack and train them? He was feeding them. He housed them. Now they are graduated already. Tell me how it's been going to look. Tell me.
Thank God. That place not the place.
If they make me face, I will just open my own town here. I will just open my, in America, big land here. Just create your own town, live your town, enjoy your life, and stay forever. Can you imagine?
It's what I do here. Here I have my kids. I live very good with them. I'm living very, very good. So I have my garden, I have everything. So what do I do? No. Okay, I don't have father, I don't have mother. So for them,
your own is good.
They killing themselves there.
Can you imagine? That is what the police are saying. Even AIG said it. He said, what concerns them when they are killing themselves?
It's true. Because you cannot tell me, even men saying him, you will know that this is a born criminal. Men saying him. 4 people destroying Edo State. 4 people. Kabaka is going with Sari in Benin. Not only Sari, anytime he come to his hotel, boa. If he leave, they will shoot boa, and go to the same thing. The same thing. Oh God, may God have mercy on Benin. I tell you.
God bless you. Thank you.
Have a nice day. God bless you.
Bye-bye. Kateosa, who are you, Rivana? Where you told on ya here? Ema ya press when you kill it, Akiari, where, where, ya, ye bo have your way, where ya bo have your ta, where, when they captain also kumbo, where, ya, why ye bo fear, where Akiari, eat belly, ya, ye bo fear, because where to Agbe, where to Agbe, where to Agbe, where to Agbe, Doy. I beg, if I know that guy when they made that audio, when they say Doy, that I've been number 1 fans. Mona tell her, may teach me some Billy. Good night, everybody. God bless you. Share this video. Let it get to Captain Osa Okumbo. No. Can you tell us? Tell everybody that is watching now who is going to be the richest man in 5 years' time. Can you do it? Huh? My brother, I better just shut up there. And can you say forget those people? Come on, it isn't on Facebook not there. Now Facebook they die. You don't ever see a person who die for inside Facebook. I better go sit down there. Forget those people. Forget those people will be waiting. You never see your mother. You not hear from your grandmother. My grandmother is 80-something years. You don't cook, go give her food. They say forget those people. I'm not write nonsense here. Forget those people. Forget those. Now Kabaka be those people. Now this one be those people. Abi.
You don't want me to read.
Now this one be those people, Abi.
You want to swear my name. You don't want me to read. You don't want me to read. Amigo, Osaloba, I forgive you. Amigo, if I catch you, I go chop you. I'll chop you like vampire, Amigo.
Now they call those people. I better go sleep. Now sleep, they worry you. Go sleep. Now Captain they call those people. Sometimes now just call social media. You never see where there's a comment it die. No. That's why you are doing it anyhow. No problem. Time will tell. Captain I go see him. We don't move there. Time will tell. So I will come forget those people. Who be those people? Wait till say make a you know they go Nigeria. You know they go your papa, you know they greet your mama. You know they greet your grandmama. You know they go Facebook people. Forget those people. Who be those people? Oh, governor not those people. You be governor. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Mega voice.
Yeah. The whole world is hearing. Go ahead.
Okay. The issue of Tony Kabaka. I'm just surprised when people are saying you should forget those people and all that. Where were these people when Kabaka mentioned your name in the front of the shrine?
Not my
when the most was going to take those votes.
Not my day. Now
where were they? Why did they come out to attack Kabaka and say Kabaka what he did was wrong?
Okay. They're not going to talk.
Where were all these people? So because you hate one who is speaking the truth, so the person will die unjust. It's not going to happen.
Amen. No. It will not happen.
It will not happen. Don't compromise yourself.
Do you know how many people have come in? Hey, let's do this. Hey, let's do that. Why all of them, they go home. They go home. They're going to eat a pepper soup suya with Tony Kabaka.
majority of them that are supporting Kabaka to say this Kabaka, they are all scared of him, and also they all have business which Kabaka is aware of. If they say anything, Kabaka will go and destroy them.
I will destroy. Kabaka is the governor of Edo State as I speak. Not even Obaseki. Obaseki no go fit talk to Kabaka. He don't go there try and not be one time Kabaka come Obaseki go to give him million for inside government office. Nonsense. That's a year off for a way. God. Nonsense. Come here, come they say, forget those people. Who be those people? I beg, good night everybody. Share this video. Now we hear now. Who say one follow Kapteusa enter grave? Now go first and follow enter grave. Anything that Kapteusa head, Governor Obaseki head, I will give little space for Shomule because they don't teach our lesson. Kabaka. Ekwinefo abi ro pare to no sunu no nwere nyama nyamani abi ro pare sunu o kuwuragbon we amia we gawe mi o calamity will continue to reign in your head in Jesus mighty. Anybody who know what they have done to me is oppression and they are joining them. Oh, come on, now your own go be worse. Good night everyone. God bless you. Thank you.